guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a scarecrow paper bag craft like this. Each kit is going to include a hat, some straw hair, a little leaf, little circles to make cheeks, a nose, and googly eyes. We're going to start off by giving our scarecrow a smile and then add the little stitches to his mouth. So now your bag should look something like this. And then we are going to take a glue stick and add the little cheeks to his face. Here is him now. And then we're gonna go ahead and attach his nose. Take a little dot of glue on the back of that and just boop, press it right on. Now that we have a smile, cheeks, and a nose, we are going to add eyes. I'm gonna take my little googlies here and I'm just gonna stick them to his face. Perfect. And then open up our bag. I'm just gonna take a little piece of tape here and I'm going to tape this side of the bag down. Next, I'm going to take this little leaf and this hat and I'm gonna glue the leaf down onto the hat. Just like that. We're going to tape his hair to his little head. And I'm gonna take his hair and I'm just gonna tape it down just like that. Last step, tape his hat to his head. So I'm gonna fix a piece of tape to the base of the hat and then I'm gonna stick it both to the hat and to the bag. And there we go. There is our scarecrow paper bag. It's so simple, and you can get your take and make kits from the Youth Services desk at the Bay County Public Library while supplies last. Thank you for watching.